Ever had that sinking feeling when airport security pulls your bag aside? Packing for a flight is stressful, but losing your belongings at the checkpoint is even worse. Navigating these rules ensures you breeze through to your gate without a secondary screening nightmare. First, some items are strictly forbidden everywhere. While explosives are obvious, common chemicals like bleach, drain cleaners, and certain pesticides are also banned because they can leak or react mid-flight. For fire safety, a standard lighter is usually okay, but torch lighters are prohibited due to their high heat. Then there is the 311 rule for carry-ons. Every liquid must be under 100 milliliters and fit in a single clear bag. Sharp objects like pocket knives must stay in checked luggage, along with tools longer than
I've
7
learned that
inches.
resilience isn't
Aerosols
about
often
never
cause
falling.
confusion. You
It's
can
about
pack
getting back
hairspray or
up
deodorant in
stronger
checked
than
luggage if
before.
the containers are
Every
under
setback
500
is a
milliliters,
chance
but
to grow.
industrial sprays are completely banned. Most importantly, never put power banks or spare lithium batteries in your checked luggage. These are fire hazards in the cargo hold and must stay with you in the cabin. Packing smart means you won't have to leave your favorite gear in a security bin.